Let's get started. Focus on focus. Okay, here we are. So by now, our stop loss must have come to break even. Our stop loss must have come to break even. DU is really annoying. So painful. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's another episode of our Trade Life with Diamond Aridoh. Okay, so without wasting, let's just get to the point straight up, straight up. So let's just get straight to the point. Okay, the trade that we call this trade live. day before yesterday. We call this trade live. We're doing analysis and we saw it live. And even though the trade took its time, it took so long, threatening our stop loss. But because we know our system, we know what we're looking for, we don't care. We have set, we've placed our stop loss slightly and every other thing. And then we're just going to hold our position. And now, after every up and down, the trade finally tanked. And then right now, it has been waxing in profits. And we know for certain, by the grace of God, this trade is going to hit our TP. So let's just hold on to it. Let's just hold on. And this trade is already a break-even trade. We call it live day before yesterday. Okay. So some other trades that we have pending, and so painful this one did not activate for us. It got to the inducement level but didn't get to our POI before it started selling. That's so painful. That's so painful, you know. But it's all right. What do we do? Even the way this trade is playing out, I won't say it's invalidated yet. Yeah. Because I know there is some level of fair value gap right here, and then the market has not tapped into this POI. And most importantly, we have not broke structure. Anything that made this market to break this structure below, then this trade is invalidated. But for now, it's still not invalidated. Let's still hold on to our our order. Euro USD is not giving us any right. And also looking at this, I'm not seeing any reason why we should enter any trade for now. I'm not seeing any reason why we should enter any trade for now, or any other setup. I'm not seeing any other setup cooking yet. Okay, so moving on to USD-JPY. USD-JPY ignored our, well, I say ignore. I've not gotten to our POR. Oh, this trade might activate today. Who knows? Might activate this trade because it's getting closer. It remains just small to take out this investment. It's getting closer. Okay, so now we are having some like our simple concept right here. So what's our simple concept? The first thing is we need is manipulation. So where is the manipulation we have here? We have a manipulation here. We have a manipulation there. I can decide to extend this manipulation down here, but anyone is fine. I can just decide to hold on to this. We have a pure manipulation down there, and we have our break of structure. So that's manipulation, break of structure, and then our POI. The third thing we look out for is our inducement, and in this case, this is our inducement. So now we have two orders. We have order above, we have order below. So in this kind of scenario, normally let me get the 15 minutes time frame for entry. Okay, I'll just use this entry. I'll just use this POI. So normally I'm supposed to just set a pending order right here. But guess what? Setting a pending order right now might not be the ideal thing to do. Why? Because you have a setup above, you have a setup below. If this market wants to play out, we will take it upon confirmation. If not, market might disrespect it to come and validate this, and then probably violate this and reclaim it and then continue doing that. So in as much as this setup is so sweet, I wouldn't set a pending order yet. I wouldn't set a pending order yet. So I'll just put my alert there, you know. I'll just drag this my alert here. So when the market gets there, I will know. So that's all I'm seeing on USD JPY. Aside from that, you still have to be patient. Remember, we have a setup beneath here. This setup might play out for us today. It might. Yeah, it might. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, so this setup has been there before now. So let's see if this market is going to actually activate this for us and pay us some money. But this one we are not setting the pending order because we have another setup above, and this setup above is more stronger than this setup here. So I don't know. The ideal thing for market to do is to actually respect both, but market might violate one to activate one and reviolate it and reclaim it. So that's what we have when we're talking about violation block, you know, violation, volume violation, whatever. So now we're going to gold. Gold has gotten to all-time high. Gold, it gets here. Okay, so gold is going to actually react when it comes back to the test here. It's going to come and retest that place. If you see a reason why we should get in on that trade, we will. If not, we'll wait for our setup to cook properly. We don't care. Even if it keeps going up. Well, in as much as it gives us what we want, we'll take it. If it doesn't give us what we want, we move. There are other pairs that we can look out for. Now, GBP JPY, we have a setup above that has not gotten to yet. It's coming to actually whatever. We also have a setup below here. So let's just hold on to our position. Nothing serious on GBP JPY yet. CHF JPY, the trade that we are in. So we are still waiting for this trade to do what? To actually smash our TP, which we hope and we anticipate that it's going to do that today. BTC, what's going on? BTC myself from here, but for some reason I'm not taking BTC for now. Yes, we have some violation right here based on our simple concept. I can see a setup right here, but I'm not interested. It's not an A setup. So Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum, I need to talk about this. Yesterday Ethereum actually came, activate and stop us out, and the reason for that stop out was because where we have our POI right here, the market still want to use another POI above. So it came to this POI. Sorry for that. It came to this POI. This is what it came to use. But why did I choose this before? I chose this because this is the nearest POI to this investment here. So, but of course, market is always king. We learned our lesson from that. So the only thing I'm just waiting for right now is for the market to pull back. If you can pull back here, you should be able to get a good trade from that. Okay. So obviously on 1 hour time frame, this you use 1 hour time frame POI. But if you go to 15 minutes, you can see the POI you used on 15 minutes. So this is the 15-minute POI. This is one of the reasons why I usually like to use anything I see on higher time frame. I trust it more than what I'm seeing on lower time frame. Okay, so if you have had this, you will have been running in profit right now. So, but markets will always teach us, and then we learn from our mistake and we do better next time. Okay, so right now, expecting a pullback and then continue to our direction. So keep going well, CHFDPY. I want to see you smash TP. So I think that's all we have for today. Welcome, Mr. Suraj. Welcome, Mr. Ekpa Christian. Ekpa Christian, where are you joining us from? Mr. Suraj, how is your family? How is your baby girl and your wife? Ekpa Christian, where's your loan? So if there's any question, I would love to welcome the question. And if there is any pair you want me to actually analyze for you right now, let me quickly do that while we end with our peers and then just look at, okay, what's going on. We have an opportunity. Yes, you see, that is what actually differentiates a good trader. Yeah, the same thing, the same simple concept I'm using with you guys right now. If I decide to go on 15 minutes time frame, I'm going to get more opportunity. What happened to my internet? Okay, Mr. Ekpa Christian from Delta State. Okay, you're welcome. How is Delta today? So the network is poor at the moment. The network is poor. I don't know why. Okay. I hope this network will do better. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. So because I don't understand why this network is showing me a poor signal right here. Okay, so if I decide to use this same simple concept on 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame to do analysis and everything, I'm going to get setup. But guess what? I'm going to get plenty setup, but those setup, they might not be as strong as higher time frame setup. This one has always been. So instead of taking 10 trades and then within that 10 trade you took 10 trades in like 2 or 3 days, and then you have like 5 losses, you have like 5 wins, or you have like 6 losses, you have like 4 wins. Of course, you're still going to be profitable, but that's a lot of stress. But when you stay on a time frame that the trade is not always going to be like, look at this, we got into this trade day before yesterday and it's still waxing in profit right now. You know, we waited for this. If to say we waited for this above POI, will have still be in profit right now. So taking losses from higher time frame is very, very, the rate is very low. Taking losses from lower time frame, the rate is very high. So it's better to just stay at the time frames that help you with your win rate. Okay, so let's quickly look at let's quickly look at AUDJPY according to Mr. Suraj. If you are just joining, make sure you smash the like button. AUDJPY, what are you saying? AUDJPY. Okay, so I was saying this in the other day that what is the overall trend going? Let's quickly confirm that from lower time frame and higher time frame. This is a weekly time frame. We can see for certain that this time frame has been on a bull run. It has been running bullish since 2020 up until here. And this market actually did what? This market took out this high from 2007. This is top down analysis that I'm doing right now. We took out this high. After taking out that high, it broke some structure. It broke this structure. It broke this structure, and this is another structure that is about closing below it right now. So based on higher time frame, I'm already seeing a setup, but we cannot just capitalize on this setup like this. Okay, so now normally we should be expecting this price to actually push all the way to here. We have another, you can see we have another strip of liquidity here. I have a manipulation there, and we also have a break of structure right here. We have a break of structure right there. We have our inducement right here. So like you see, the market tap into the inducement, and that was why this market pumped back up. You can see, so it pumped back up. So now that it has fulfilled this, I can tell you for free that the next bus stop for AUDJPY on a weekly time frame is here. This is the target. This is the target right here. So because after he has done this, it went up, came back, break the structure above. Now right here we have our inducement right here. This is higher time frame. We cannot trade from this time frame, but it helps us to understand what the market is doing. So now that we know that this market is doing what, it's coming down, the buy setup has been fulfilled to an extent. So anything that make this thing to take out, because now that it has done this and it has broke structure, there's high chances that if this market push back up, tap into this POI, this right here, we'll see a push down that will come and take out this. But right now, the most realistic target for this current movement is here. The most realistic target is for it to come and take out this low right here. So now let's go to daily time frame to see things more clearly. So let me adjust this here. Okay. So now on daily time frame, market is selling. So do we have any reason for this? Yes, we still have another setup right here. We have our manipulation here. We have our manipulation. We have a break of structure to the downside. We have a break of structure to the downside. And we have what? We have our inducement. You can see the way we are getting setup upon setup. We have our inducement right here. So based on daily time frame, where is the POI that this market is likely to use due to this fair value gap? We have this as a POI. So when market get to all these things, just expect something, okay? Oh, another setup is even already playing out, but that one is going to be more clearer on 4 hours time frame. So now let's go to 4 hours time frame. The same thing, the simple concept. We also have what? We have a manipulation right here. We have a break of structure. We have a break of structure, and then we have our inducement right here. Or the most realistic inducement that according to our plan is this, because it's this one that has the fair value gap that we need, and the market use this POI. So that is what is playing out at the moment. So as this market is going, the most realistic target for this price for this market right now is this. So this is the target. It's playing out already. It's playing out already. So, and this is the target right here. So normally, if you say this pair dey inside our watch list, we'll have gotten this entry. Our stop loss will have been to cover probably this high right here. Yes, this high. You know, we are on 4 hour time frame. If I go to lower time frame, I will see reason to actually adjust down low, and then our target will have been here. But me, I might just stick to 1 to 2 like this. So the market will have about to hit our TP right now. Okay, so that is what I'm saying. So another thing is that once this target has been taken out, then the market will probably present us another reason why it will continue to come and take out this low and take out this low. Okay, remember the analysis is being done from weekly time frame. Now we have not even entered 1 hour. We've seen the setup, we've seen what the market is doing. So looking at 1 hour time frame right now, is there any opportunity again right here? Yes, sort of. You can see, let me delete this. I can see another manipulation that happened right here. Another manipulation that happened right here. I can see a break of structure, simple concept. Just those 3 things, we are good. I can see break of structure, and I can see an inducement right here. But this setup need investigation. Why? Because of fair value gap. So if I go to 15 minutes time from right now, okay, I can see that I can see that it has the fair value gap we are looking out for. Yeah, are people hearing me? Is my network still doing well? Okay, excellent connection. Oh my God. Okay, so as I was saying, this is another manipulation right here. This is a break of structure right here. So this is our inducement right here. Okay, so anything that makes this market do this, our POI can be this. We can use this as our POI. So it's as simple as that. And we're going to have a very good risk to reward ratio on this trade because the point of invalidation is very, very tiny. And then whichever way we can target, this is already looking like 1 to 5. So depending, but that's if the market comes back to this place. So, but we can also keep it low so that we can just get in and get out on time. So that is that on that's all I'm saying on AUDJPY, Mr. Suraj. Do you get it? If you are joining, make sure you smash the like button, please. The likes should match the number of people that are on live with us viewing right now. So make sure you smash the like button, okay? So I think that is that about that. Any more question, Mr. Suraj? Do you see the AUDJPY breakdown from higher time frame to lower time frame? Simple concept. Yeah, Musa Kedens, how you doing? How you doing? Any question? Any question? If there's no question, we can call it today. Ooh, I'm sure I must have hit my TP right now. Who is in with me, guys? Who is in with me? My TP is not up to this level. My own TP is not up to that. I think my TP is around here. I am pretty sure I will have hit my TP right now. Oh my God, that is lovely. I'm so happy that this thing actually happened while we are on live session. Let me do this. Let me delete this so that yes, I got an early entry. My own entry is somewhere around here. So my 1 to 2 will have been smashed, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we just hit TP of this trade in the presence of everybody. We just hit TP. There's so much forever growing in profit. God bless you, my brother. Thank you. How is Plateau State? Mr. Suraj, you are asking about what is fair value gap. Fair value gap, all these things are what I've kept for my mentorship students. I'm going to be teaching everything in our mentorship class, okay? So please don't expect me to be teaching everything on the what is it called? I'm coming. So don't expect me to be teaching what you know that I'm still going to be doing for people that pay. I'm not going to be doing it on this YouTube. No, 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 no. We don't want to do that anymore. 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 This trade just literally smashed TP in front of us, guys. We literally smashed TP in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. So this is it. I hope you guys are seeing my screen right now. We literally smashed that TP in front of everybody, ladies and gentlemen. We give all the glory to God Almighty for the knowledge, for the growth. So that is what our group mentorship will be starting in April. So if you want to be part, take advantage of it. Slide into my DM right now and then make a payment. It's just $50, just $50 for the mentor concept. Within 1 month you don't get them. Another 1 month for you to be practicing and sending me, and I'm giving you some close monitoring, and then you are good. You are good. So group mentorship, and if you are interested in me sitting down with you one-on-one, baba, oya, open your Zoom, oya, this is it, without anybody disturbing at all, only me and you at any time. We'll fix our time. That one very, very affordable, just $200. So, and that one is going to even last for 3 months, because any student I'm taking one-on-one, I must use you to I must use you to, what's it called? I must use it to flaunt. I must use it to flaunt. So if I'm going to be taking you one-on-one, I go sit down by your neck like this. Everything where I know, I go put down for your head, and I must see you do well so that I won't flaunt you. That's the benefit of the one-on-one. It's going to take 3 months. The group mentorship is going to take 2 months. So this person will literally have more of my time, and this person must have results by the grace of God. Provided that you're following instruction, you must have results. So this is what you stand to get when you join our. Ladies and gentlemen, we smash TP. We call this trade live, and we also smash this TP live. We call this trade live, and we smash TP live. We call this trade live, and we smash TP live. Live. Live, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is still going to drop more. It's still going to drop more. Trust me. It's still going to drop more. It's still going to drop more. And I am certain of that. It's still going to drop below here. I'm certain of that. I'm so certain of that. It's still going to drop more. Let me look at this. Just hope this guy will come and activate for us and give us some good money. Give us some good money. Give us some good money. I hope it will come and activate for us. But ladies and gentlemen, congratulations for all of us that took this trade. If you know you took this trade with me, let me know. If you know you took this trade with me, let me know. Many people took this trade with me. Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, thank you. Ladies, okay. If you have any question, if you don't have any question, you can just call it a day. If you don't have any question, let's call it a day. My internet better get to here to pay. Better let your head be correct. Well. Wow. Give glory to God. This is pure transparency. This is pure transparency. The trade was called live, and we smashed the TP live. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's call it a day. I'm so happy. And I told everybody to actually take it. Mr. Suraj, before take it. I told everybody to take it, even if he's going to take it on your demo account. I still say everybody should take it. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time while we wait for our other setup to activate for us and we celebrate. I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. We literally call this trade live. Like, I analyzed it live. It was not even analyzed down. It was when I saw it that I'll be like, oh, simple concept is cooking up right here, and then we got our entry instantly, even though it took some time, and that's because the market was consolidating. News is coming, so market is not moving. But today, right now, this trade was called on Tuesday, and today being when? Today is Thursday, if I'm right. So we smash TP. Just imagine if you are risking $1,000. Imagine you are risking $10,000. Imagine you are risking $100,000. You have made times 2 of what you are risking right now. Congratulations to all of us. We give all the glory to God Almighty. And we can call it a day from here. So if you want to join the ongoing mentorship, if you want to join mentorship that will be coming up in April by the grace of God. So just make sure you reach out to me via Telegram. Make sure you reach out to me via Telegram. That's what is showing on your screen right now. Make sure you reach out to me via Telegram, and then make your payments. Will be added to the platform, and by the grace of God, by April we will start our class. Okay, so that is that about that. If you are interested in one-on-one mentorship, that's the best. That's the best, because that is what I personally go for. That changed the whole thing for me right now. I've always been paying for group mentorship until I took my time to actually pay a lot of money for a mentor that has all this knowledge. And today I'm glorifying God for the knowledge impacted. So that is that about that. Make sure you take advantage of it. See you guys tomorrow. I'm so happy right now. This trade, we call it live, and the TP was smashed live.